गई। Hi Priya, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
We all are also good, Priya. Please work on your setup next time. थोड़ा वो antique पुराने जमाने का लग रहा है आपका setup, lighting वगैरह. I don't know what is the reason, but try to work on it. I mean, आप phone से join हो या कैसे? Laptop से?
Sir, I have joined from the laptop.
लैपटॉप का कैमरा देखना आप फिर क्या है या चेंज
Okay,
कुछ
sir.
कुछ भी जो है ना क्लीन करके
Yes.
देखना, अगर वो क्लीन हो जाए तो बेटर हो. वेल प्रिया, क्विकली इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एंड वी विल स्टार्ट आस्किंग यू सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस.
Okay, sir. Good morning, all the panel members. I am Priya Trivedi. I hail from Lucknow. Lucknow is famous for food, not for food, but also for Lucknowi chicken. And my family consists of 4 members, including me. My father is My father is a Duda manager. My mother is a housewife. She runs a cooking channel. I graduated from the I have done a graduation in knitwear from Northern Indian Institute of Fashion Technology, Ludhiana, Punjab. Ludhiana is famous for knitwear and hosiery wear. That's all about me.
Well, Priya, can you see on Awad sir title Mr. Awad from Lucknow? दिख रहा नहीं दिख रहा आपको? पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. यस नो बताओ आप.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
You can
I know
see.
her.
Okay.
I know him.
Now, okay, moving forward, could you please tell me the 3 challenges which Lucknow is facing right now?
Lucknow is facing for right now. Sir, because of the pandemic situation, almost everywhere almost everywhere the problems are same. That bed problem, uh, person is not getting hospitalized. They are standing on the road and asking to the doctors to get admitted in the hospitals. And
मान लो आप
yes,
मान
sir.
लो आप जो है डीएम हो वहां पे, which all 3 things immediately you will take in action? किन 3 चीजों पे आप काम करोगे जो पब्लिक का सोल्यूशन होगा काम का, बताओ.
Okay. Sir, I will provide oxygen cylinder for all the. I cannot say that I can wholesome provide cylinders for everyone, but I can मतलब easily provide them, and I
बस
can.
बताना है क्या क्या करना है आपको. I mean, so the oxygen is the first thing. Second,
Yes, sir. And these days the medicine problems are very rare. Medical shops are not getting a
medicine
proper.
problem is very rare. What you are trying to say?
Means to say that, sir, medicine is not.
It's not easy
Shop.
to find. It's not
Yes, sir.
cup of
Easy to
tea, right?
Not easy to find. Yes, sir.
अच्छा. हाँ. ओके,
Uh,
आप उल्टा बोल रहे थे इसलिए पूछा मैंने. क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
so,
तीसरा बताओ.
okay, sir.
तो आप
And
उसकी काला
and
बाजारी पे थोड़ा रोक लगाओगे, राइट? द मेडिसिन
yes,
इज वी आर
yes,
फाइंडिंग इन
sir.
10 टाइम्स मोर. मैं जिस सिटी में जहां भी भेज रहा हूँ या कांटेक्ट करवा रहा हूँ तो एटलीस्ट 10 टाइम्स ज्यादा पैसा मांग रहा है मेडिसिन का. उस पे
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
काम कराओगे आप, राइट? तीसरा
Yes,
क्या
sir.
करोगे आप बीइंग अ डीएम? थर्ड मेडिसिन हो गया, ऑक्सीजन
Sir,
हो गया. थर्ड
and the
थिंग्स.
third problem is for the bed. Now the critical position of the position of the doctors is also very critical. They are literally crying. They are severely hitted and uh, severely hitted by the words of the patient family members because of not getting a bed in the hospital. So I will provide a bed.
All right, Priya, over to you, Avas sir. Could you please ask some question?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Priya.
Yes, sir.
What was the reason to switch over this MFM? Why don't you go to industry directly after completing your graduation?
Sir, firstly, I have a plan of doing masters from NIFT only. So what I have done, I have completed my graduation and then I have taken a technical knowledge of the industry. Then I from there only I got means inspired to which field I have to opt to which field I have to go. So I worked as a designer merchant in Octave Clothing, Ludhiana. There I got the there I thought to take the my master programs forward.
Okay. Two brand names which leads in India in retail.
In retail, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, there is a brand name in India.
रिटेल
Okay.
क्या होता है प्रिया?
Sir, retail means like the domestic brands which are dealing in India. They itself has a brand.
आप कौन सा ब्रांड का कपड़ा यूज करते हो नॉर्मली?
Sir, which I used to wear. Sir, I normally used to wear Madame, Levi's, and Octave.
बोल तो दिया आपने, यही तो क्वेश्चन था, सर ने पूछा दो ब्रांड बताओ। है ना?
Sir, I was confused with the international brand, that's why.
नहीं, इतना
No issue.
वो सोचना नहीं है, रिटेल बोल देना है ब्रांड, ठीक है? चलिए
Yes.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। और कुछ पूछना है सर या आप फीडबैक दिया जाए इनको?
You have done now. प्रिया, अब मुझे लगता है ना तुम्हें थोड़ी मेहनत और करने की जरूरत है. According to me, you need to little work upon your this setup first. ठीक है? Internet connectivity. ठीक है? Next will be your the way you're interacting is fine. You'll be fine with it. Just little improvement into this will be fine. Sir.
वेल प्रिया, आई वुड लाइक टू एंड विथ वो फेमस लाइन जो कोट है, आप लखनऊ में है, क्या है वो बड़ा फेमस है, बताओ थोड़ा, सुनना है।
मुस्कुराइए, आप लखनऊ में हैं।
बस तो मुस्कुराते रहिए, खुश रहिए, जो पॉसिबल उतना काम करिए, गुड लक, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
बाय बाय।
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.